In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file to Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. Whether you're making the switch for better collaboration, or simply because you prefer Google's interface, this quick and easy guide will get you there. So, let's dive in. Start by heading over to Google Drive. If you haven't used Google Drive before, it's Google's cloud-based storage service, where you can house a variety of file types, including our focus today: spreadsheets. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your documents and files are stored. Next, look for the New button, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Google Sheets. This will open up a new, blank Google Sheets document. Creating a new sheet, as we're doing here, sets the stage for you to import your Excel data directly into Google Sheets. With your blank Google Sheet open, you're ready to move forward. Set your attention up to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on File, and from the drop-down options, select Import. When you hit Import, a new window will pop up, giving you several options for how you'd like to import your data. Choose the Upload tab from this pop-up window. Here, you have the chance to take an Excel file stored on your device and upload it directly into Google Sheets. So go ahead and click Select a file from your device. This will bring up a file browser window. Navigate through your folders until you find your Excel file, and then double-click it or select it and hit Open. After your Excel file is uploaded, you'll need to decide where this data will go within your newly created Google Sheet. This step is all about choosing your import location. The choices typically include creating a new spreadsheet, inserting new sheets, or even replacing a particular section of your open Google Sheet. Choose the option that best fits your needs, and then click Import Data. Once you've hit Import Data, you'll see the magic happen. Effortlessly, your Excel file data spreads across the Google Sheet, adapting into the Google Sheets format. At this stage, you've successfully converted your Excel data into a Google Sheets document, complete with all its functionality. Now, you can enjoy the collaborative features of Google Sheets, like sharing with others and leaving comments. And there you have it, a seamless transition from Excel to Google Sheets. Thank you for following along, and happy spreadsheeting!